many, many years we were just focusing on manufacturing great quality and improving the production. And we didn't understand or talk brand. But then we started to travel and visit the world. And there we have seen that this product is not just something which in Switzerland is perceived as a daily product, but in the world we started to realize that this is a premium product, and people really save money in Asia, in South America, to be able to afford such a product. And then we started to get stories where the knife even helped to save a knife. Or just recently I received a book from Chris Hadfield. Chris Hadfield is a Canadian astronaut, and he has spent close to 4,000 hours in space. And he has written in this book in a very fascinating ways all these adventures and the histories he has experienced during all these different missions. And one of the missions, he had to open the hatch of Mir Station. And the Russians had given him different tools to do the job, and he could open some of the knots, but he could not do everything. And then he remembered, because every space shuttle mission astronaut has as official equipment a Swiss Army knife, and he took out his Swiss Army knife and could finish the job. And in the book he wrote, so finally we did the space age thing, we broke into Mir using the Swiss Army knife. And then he recommends, never leave the planet without one.
That is just the best you could get, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that not all over your brand now?
Yeah,
It's just incredible.
I have bought many copies of this book, and I will give one to you.